All right, everybody. I'm going to show you guys how you can automate your advertising on trading servers using Slam. So I'll just go ahead and jump right into it. So once you have downloaded Slam, bring it over to your desktop, make a new folder just in case. We'll actually do this part. Fuck. So make a folder, I don't know, name it Slam, drag Slam in there, open it, right click it, extract files here. If you don't have WinRAR, go ahead and download it. Takes about 2 minutes. It's free. It's easy. It will make your life easier anyways. So yeah, once you've done that, you're going to want to open up Slam. Just leave it open for now. But before that, you're going to want to open up your voice recorder, which is, if you have Windows 10, it's just called voice recorder. It's like this. It's this simple. Record whatever you want, which is your advertisement. Once you've done that, right click your recording, open file location, and drag it to your desktop like so. So once you've recorded whatever you want, click import, find your recording, press open, press OK, press start. Should start if you get a message. If it says yes or cancel, cancel it. If you press cancel, it won't pop up ever again. So once you have added your recording, open up CSGO. Oh, let me choose my monitor, one sec. Open up CSGO, join a server, whatever it is that you want. Press console or open up your console, EXEC slam in console. All right, press LA or type in LA, my bad. See your recording will pop up right here. It has a number 1. Press 1. So your recording has loaded. Now to play your recording, just press your hotkey, which by default is X, and it should sound like this.
Yo, 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 I have a Karambit Doppler Phase 2 with the BTA corner. Really nice pink, not the best, but still pretty nice. I have a current offer of 240 keys. If you want to inspect my knife, type in exclamation mark. Bruh. If you are interested, I will sell for less, only if you are interested. Anyways, thank you. Bye.
So yeah, that's pretty much all you can do. You can get pretty creative with it. You can make the lobby laugh. Here, I'm gonna show you the lobby's reaction when I first did this recording. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe, like, and dislike, comment. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Oh my god, yo.
Where is it at?
Market.
I'm gonna add,
How much is it?
160.
Yo, 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 I have a Karambit Doppler Phase 2 with the BTA corner. Really nice pink, not the best, but still pretty nice. I have a current offer of 240 keys. If you want to inspect my knife, type in exclamation mark. Bruh. If you are interested, I will sell for less.
Hey, Bucklow. Take my knife, Bucklow.
Yeah, I just want to buy it as an investment. I'm just